What is going on, guys? I'm back with another video. I got a special guest with me today.
Yo, fellas.
You might know him as the Gambler. I know him as Sidahmed. I'm back in Puerto Rico. We're going to this one festival. It's called Sanse. Sorry I got that wrong. But yeah, we're just walking up to the ferry right now, and then we're about to be in Old San Juan.
Right, man.
We're not even at the main island yet. They got all the roads closed off. Like I said, it's a big festival, and we didn't even take the ferry ride over yet. Just got on a ferry right now. We're about to head over to Old San Juan in a second. Hey, yo, Tony, we made it, man.
We made it. We made it right now in how we say this in English?
Ferry.
Ferry.
Say no fairy tale neither.
In beautiful ferry. We like the vibe.
It's like every street, something's happening. Yo, what's going on, guys? And I made it to the center of Sanse right here. There's a live band there, so I'm not trying to get a copyright whatsoever, which I feel like YouTube wouldn't even care. But at the same time, I just don't want nothing to happen to my videos because I don't feel like going back and re-editing. But it was definitely a fun time, 10 out of 10. We got the Cookie Monster. The Cookie Monster.
The Cookie Monster.
I just took the video and I looked and I was like, wait. I looked at these doors, they were open, and I was like, wait. Hold on a second. That is someone's house. The bed's right up there. Another bed. Kitchen. What the fuck? This is insane. I made it. I'm alive from last night. I'm walking up to this one beach right now. It's called Playa Peña Beach. It looks beautiful. The walk-up's nice. Just like a whole bunch of farms, open fields. Alright, you guys are walking up on this the same time I am, and we're gonna see the view together. What the hell? Oh, little steps. Jesus. Tropical paradise where I want to live. Damn. Shout out my boy Zach who put me on. He couldn't make the trip, but best believe next Puerto Rico trip, he's gonna be with us. How we feeling, Seth?
This is a rock?
Yeah.
Yeah. Coral.
What is it called? A lighthouse?
Man, this is paradise. I'm waiting for the sunset right now, but I'm a little scared. There's a whole bunch of dark clouds over there. It looks like it's gonna rain and blocking the sunset. Hopefully we could get it. So I was right. The cloud ended up blocking the sunset. I'm so hurt, but maybe we'll catch one another day this week.
So hi fellas. 2 days in Puerto Rico. And
Dos days. Dos.
The rich port. The rich port.
And after 6 days in Puerto Rico.
Taking a little detour exit. No! Making it through the cave right now. I don't even want to know what's in there. I'll let them sleep. I'm walking back up from the cave. And this is the sunset we got. Here's the sunset. Here's the what we got of the sunset, but it still looks nice. Hello, buddy. What's up, little guy? What's going on, guys? It's my third day here, and I came to this beach. It's called Luquillo.
Wow, look, you can see the whole mountain.
To walk up to this beach was nuts, but it's worth it.
Wow. These are rocks.
Beep, 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 beep.
And like some beaches are rocky that I came to here, but I didn't see no rocks, just sand. This shit's nice.
You can dance like this.
Isn't it crazy that more people die from coconuts landing on their heads from the palm trees than shark attacks? Because look, the coconuts are all the way up there and then they just drop and hit people in the head. So it's January 20th and I'm not uploading a video today, but I was on Instagram and Snapchat and all my friends were posting snow because it snowed back home, and I'm just so thankful to be here. Because I really don't like the snow. Well, I like it a little bit, but I'd rather sweat than be cold. But just happy to be here. So if I would go straight that way on a boat, I would hit some country in Africa. I don't know which one, but I would hit one of them. Another cool thing about this beach, they're all over, probably on every single beach in Puerto Rico, but it looks like a pine tree. And they actually got little pine cones. Man, it looks like a crazy storm is about to happen. I'm about to go back to my stuff and about to peace out of here. You can't even see the mountains no more. It only rained for like 10 minutes, so we're back out here.
This is Jim.
How we doing today?
Alaikum sharakum.
Aw.
6 o'clock, 6:30 in the morning.
I don't even know what type of bird this is, but shit was huge. He got the fisherman out. Probably gonna catch that shit and cook it tonight. How you feeling, my brother?
Great. I feel great. It's the most beautiful holiday I see it in my life. Look at it. Just sleep. I'm not sleeping. I'm in the paradise. Look. Come to Puerto Rico. You gotta love it.
Day 3 of this beautiful oasis. I'm at this beach and it's called Pine Grove Beach. And people back home, they know. There's a town right next to me and it's called Pine Grove. And just a whole bunch of tree monsters and weird people there. I like a couple people there, but I thought it's just funny. Shout out Pine Grove, man. You know, back home when it's cold, starts getting cold in like October, you don't even want to do shit because it's so fucking depressing outside. It gets dark at 4:30. Man, first day in Puerto Rico, I looked in a mirror and I was like, holy fuck, Jimmy, you're letting yourself go. So, new year, new me. I'm running the whole year. And yeah. I used to run every day, but I had to stop in like end of August because last year I slightly tore my knee. Yeah, no, slightly fractured my knee and slightly tore my ACL. So I had to take a little 5-month break. I got in physical therapy and I feel great, but seriously, you really don't know how quick you could lose it, but it takes so long to get. That's why you just gotta stick to a strict schedule and eat right. But peace out, guys. I'll be back then. We ended up in a small little town on the north side. It's a cool little vibe. So we pulled up to this one restaurant and we seen a pool table in the back. So we decided to play pool. And they were blasting music, so that's why I'm on the mic. Got the little chicken. Another thing I liked about Pinones was everything was laid back. It wasn't very populated like San Juan. There wasn't a lot of lines. Or I just might have went at the right time when nobody was there, but it was a cool place. They had a lot of food selections and a lot of food carts. So if you ever want to try like some traditional Puerto Rican fried food, definitely go there and try it out because they got a whole bunch of options there. I'm ending the day. I came to this one beach. It's called Pinones Beach. It's on the north side. It's near San Juan Airport. It's like a 10-15 minute drive, and I definitely recommend coming here. There's barely anybody here right now, but it's just nice to hang out. What's going on, guys? I'm at Isla Verde Beach and look at this shit. Rainbow on the beach, man. It don't get better than that. It's a sad day today, man. It's my last day here in this island. And we're going to Nuke. We're gonna walk the rainforest and go to like this little swimming spot that they got up there. They got a rock, rope swing, and it's a nice little nature walk. I'll take you guys with me, but just a sad day. Sucks, I gotta leave all this. Right now where I'm from, it snowed like 20 inches. I do not want to go back and see snow. Man, this sucks. Also, I'm gonna put the Airbnb link down in the description because I recommend anybody to come to this little town. It's right across from the airport. It's a 10-minute drive from the beach, free parking. You don't have to pay for parking. You don't have to worry about your car getting towed. And we all get rentals out here. We all don't own vehicles when we go on vacation, so you want to play it as safe as possible. The Airbnb host, her name's Catherine. She's an amazing lady. She keeps the house very clean, and there's a hot tub. We got a backyard, 2 rooms, a big ass L couch, a dining room table, the washer and dryer. She gave us detergent, dryer sheets. She gave us towels. She said we could use the washer and dryer whenever we want. And it's a nice neighborhood. Like, look. It's not nothing, you know, you're gonna have to worry about. And there's little chickens walking around. I guess they don't want me on their street. If I ever make a lot of money off YouTube, just know you're gonna see me in one of these fucking houses. Just know. Like, I'm not used to this shit, so I think it's beautiful. I do not mind it at all. This is perfect weather for me. It's January and it's 85 right now. I don't need to be in that bullshit ass cold weather. I could take a month. I could deal with the cold for a month, but after that, I'm so sick of it. But I'm walking up on my Airbnb right now. I'll show you guys. Oh, this is it. So right now, I'm currently on my way to Anyuke, and I just want to show you guys like the road. Look at how thin it is. You really gotta be careful. I had to stop in the middle of the road. Look at this view. I'm about to fuel up, get a couple empanadas because I didn't eat shit all day, and then I'm going to take this hike. I just fueled up, got the empanada, and we're about to take this hike. Look at the river. The water is so clear. We got the duck cleaning himself off. Look at the cats and the dog. They see I got the food and they want to come near me. That's your food right there. That's your guys' food. We gave them food.
Bro, when I go back to Philly, I should to buy a polo like him, bro.
We gave them food and now they follow us. We got the gang. Come on, gang. Come on this little hike with us. Little dog's nice. Good boy. Good boy.
Bro, there is a cat.
The cat wants some love too. And then here's another dog.
Holy shit. Holy shit, bro.
I can't give you guys no more food. I already gave everybody a piece. I already gave everybody a piece. The only person I think get one was him. And here.
What is that?
Good boy. Last year I came here, there was an older woman who lives there, and she told me that she owns the whole mountain. And she puts a gate up at 2 p.m. every day, so people don't take that path. Well, after 2, you got to take a local trail. And last year I had a little trouble on it, but I found people who were from here and they showed it to me, and now it's free game. I'm gonna show you guys. Wow, it's a little muddy. Look at these trails, right? I am dead ass in the jungle right now. There gotta be big fish in this river. This would be such a dope fishing spot. It really feels like I'm in the Amazon right now. That's always like one of my goals. I always wanted to go to the Amazon and fish on the river and walk in the jungle. But this feels just like it. Look at this terrain. Thank God I'm from the backwoods of Schuylkill County and I know how to get around. We're getting down and dirty in the jungle, baby. Welcome to the jungle. How we feeling?
Real good, man. Wow. Like Jumanji, bro.
This shit is like Jumanji. Look at this.
Wow.
Look at the leaf compared to my hand. It's so clean. Crossing the river right now. I just lost my fucking slides in the river. Now your boy's barefoot in the fucking jungle. Oh. Found them. There are the steps right there, and we take them up. So, taking it back to last year, I did not see them steps. And them steps take you right up to the path, and it is so simple and easy. Crawling through this river. It's not that deep. That's the deepest part. But them steps will save your fucking life. If you ever come here, they're like 2 football fields past the wooden steps right down there. This will save your life. And thank you for the 2 homies last year that showed me these steps. Look at the Frenchman. Bro, he don't know what to do. He don't know what to do. I'll bring him into the woods. I'll show him around. Keep on walking straight.
Get out of it.
Look how orange the clay is too. This shit's rich. Rich ass clay. Look at that. You'd build the best racetrack out of this clay probably. In the rainforest right next to the river. But seriously guys, these steps save lives. Like I said, the lady closes the gate at 2. So then the people got to take the local trail. And if you're not from here, like, it's hard to find. But thank God for these steps. And just like, look how they're made into the dirt. Dude, the fucking clay is red. So now we made it to the path, and it's just gonna be an easy walk from here. But last year when I came and did this, I did not see them steps. And I walked all the way up to where people jump off the rock and where there's a waterfall. If you're from Puerto Rico, or if you've been here, you know what I mean. But dude, I swear to God, I was like hiking next to the river for like 1.5, 2 hours. I was sliding around. The dirt was so slippy. We were walking up and down mountains. And then finally, we slid on our ass down this huge mountain and finally found a swimming hole. And the locals were scared. They were like, dude, what the fuck? Where did you come from? No way you came from that mountain. And I was like, yeah, I didn't know where to go. And they were like, dude, you are so lucky. You're a couple steps away from being lost. Look at all this bamboo. As big as my hand. Your boy's not digging no slides anymore now. It's like I'm stepping on little fucking Legos every little step. Ah! I made it to a little swim hole. Now it's time to get down there. Oh yeah, I used one of my friend's flip-flops, so we're half and half right now. He got one on and one off, and so do I. We made it, we found it, and we're here. Let's go. If you guys ever have the chance to come here, definitely do it. It's called Anuque. I could give you the directions, I could drop the pin, and if you follow the video, you could take the local trail. But they were telling me that the lady didn't close the gate at 2 today, so I kind of did it for no reason, but fuck it. It only took an extra 5 minutes. That's a rock you could jump off. That's another rock you could jump off. I jumped off them before, but I got out here a little late today, so it's gonna take like another 30 minutes to get out, and it's getting a little dark. I don't want to be cold. So I'm actually gonna jump off. What's up, little buddy? So I'm jumping off this rock. Wish me luck. My camera died in Enuke yesterday, right after I jumped off the rock, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, like, subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know in the comments. And I enjoy bringing you guys with me, because I know there's some people who, you know, can't travel, don't have the time, but you could come travel with me and you could watch my videos. Until next time, adios amigos.